On June 3, large areas of northern China were affected by a significant severe weather outbreak as powerful thunderstorms brought damaging winds, heavy rainfall, lightning, and hail to parts of Hebei and Shandong provinces. Meteorological authorities issued multiple weather alerts as the rapidly developing storm system impacted transportation, daily life, and agricultural activities across the region. According to Chinese meteorological authorities, the severe weather event was triggered by the interaction between a southward-moving cold air mass and warm, moisture-laden air flowing northward. The resulting atmospheric instability created favorable conditions for the development of intense thunderstorms capable of producing torrential rain, large hail, and destructive wind gusts. In Hebei province, cities including Shijiazhuang, Baoding, and Handong experienced widespread thunderstorm activity throughout the day. Local weather agencies issued thunderstorm, heavy rain, and hail warnings as storm cells moved across the province. Meteorological monitoring indicated that some areas were struck by powerful thunderstorm winds reaching force levels equivalent to 10 or 11 on the Beaufort scale, capable of damaging trees, outdoor structures, and utility facilities. Heavy downpours were also reported in several parts of Hebei, with localized rainfall rates exceeding 50 mm per hour. The intense rainfall led to temporary flooding in low-lying urban districts, while strong winds reduced visibility and created hazardous conditions for motorists. Emergency response teams and municipal authorities were deployed to monitor vulnerable areas and secure outdoor infrastructure, including construction sites, billboards, and temporary structures. Meanwhile, neighboring Shandong province faced a similar threat as severe thunderstorms swept across cities. Weather officials issued severe convective weather warnings, cautioning residents about the risks posed by strong winds, hailstorms, and short-duration but intense rainfall. Forecasters warned that wind gusts associated with the thunderstorms could exceed 100 km per hour in some locations. Several districts reported rapidly deteriorating weather conditions as dark storm clouds, lightning, and torrential rain moved through the area. Temporary road flooding was reported in some urban locations, while transportation authorities urged drivers to exercise caution due to reduced visibility and slippery road surfaces.
跳得大，我操！
Hail was another major feature of the storm system. Reports from both Hebei and Shandong indicated that hailstones accompanied several of the strongest thunderstorm cells. Agricultural experts warned that the storms could potentially affect crops and orchards during a critical stage of the growing season. Local agricultural departments advised farmers to closely monitor weather developments and implement protective measures where possible to minimize losses.
Oh my god！ 我的天哪！我的天，这干嘛呀？
Meteorologists noted that the outbreak demonstrated the highly volatile nature of summer weather patterns in northern China. Severe convective weather events often develop rapidly and can produce localized but significant impacts within a short period of time. Such storms are typically characterized by intense rainfall, frequent lightning, hail, and sudden bursts of damaging wind. Climate experts have also pointed to a broader trend of increasing weather extremes in many parts of the world. As atmospheric temperatures rise, warmer air is capable of holding greater amounts of moisture, potentially increasing the intensity of heavy rainfall events and severe thunderstorms. While individual weather events cannot be attributed solely to climate change, scientists continue to study the relationship between a warming climate and the frequency of extreme weather phenomena. Authorities emphasize the importance of timely weather monitoring and early warning systems in reducing risks associated with severe storms. Public awareness campaigns and emergency preparedness measures have become increasingly important as communities face growing challenges from extreme weather events. As weather conditions continue to be monitored, officials remain on alert for additional rounds of thunderstorms that may develop across northern China in the coming days. Meteorological agencies are expected to provide updated forecasts and warnings as necessary, while emergency services remain prepared to respond to any weather-related incident.